You left the door open and let my puppy out. You knew Sherry hated Daryl being here. So you let him out for her, be the hero, then you could move in. That is some Weasley shit right there.
Oh, but I didn't. She's the one who ran.
She ran? You know why she ran? Because she knew I would blame her, which I did. But see, Sherry told Whitey boy the whole story right before she was torn apart. A super hot girl horrifically killed because of your greedy, delusional, tiny little prick.
It's not true, Dwight. He's lying, but I would never do
Why?
it.
Why? Why would he do that? Why would he intentionally try to hurt you? Sherry's gone. And if he's lying, and she's out there, I will find her. And then I will burn the other side of his face off until he dies. So, what's he gonna get out of this? No. No. See, I know my Dwighty boy. See, all he needed was one more night in the hole. Get his head screwed on straight. It worked before, it worked now. Ain't that right, Dwight?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, please. Please, please, please. Oh, Jesus, don't burn me, please. Please. No. No, no, please.
Now, you know I hate this shit. Just
No.
tell me you did it and that you're sorry and I don't have to do this.
Yes. Yes, I did it. All of it. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
That's all you had to say. That is all you had to say. Good thing we got a spare Dr. Carson. I trust you, Dwighty boy. Never should have doubted you. Sherry was one of my favorites. I'm sorry. I'm not. Ice cold.